Dear students, now question number 3. You are told that this is a perfect cube. 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube roots of these three numbers. So, let me tell you, to find out the cube root of any number, dear students, we have two methods. One is prime factorization method and the second is guessing method. Dear students, we are going to study guessing method now, but this is applicable only for the perfect cube numbers, right? So let us follow this method to find out the cube root of the given three numbers in question number 3. Now I have written few steps. By following these steps, you will be able to find out the cube root of these numbers. First step is form the group of three numbers starting from the rightmost digit. So from the rightmost digit is 1. Start making the group of three numbers. This is the first group, 331, and this is the second group. It carries only one digit. That's fine. Now in the second step, take ones digit cube of the first group. Which is the ones digit of this group? 1. Its ones digit is 1. Take its cube. Its cube is 1. This will be the ones digit of our desired answer. And if the number carries 2 groups, the answer carries 2 digits. If it carries 3 groups, the answer carries 3 digits. So by following the first 2 steps, we'll get the ones digit of the answer. Now let's move on to the second group, that is 1. Dear students, third point is compare the second group for tens digit of the answer. Now to compare this number 1, we have to check out the cubic numbers. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, likewise 4 cube is 64, in this way. Now what you have to look at these cubic numbers is that this number must be, the second group number must be equal to any of the perfect cube numbers, or it must lies between this. So as we can see, 1 is greater than or equal to 1 and it is smaller than 8. So we'll write 8, right? But now we have to convert these two comparable numbers, perfect cube numbers, into cubic form, as 1 is the cube root of 1 and 2 is the cube root of 8 is the cube root of 2, right? We have to pick up the smaller one. Which one is smaller, 1 or 2? Yes, 1 is smaller. So this will be the tens digit of our desired answer. So now let us practice the second one. First of all, make 2 groups starting from right. The first group will become 913. Second carries only one digit, 4. Now the second step is take ones digit cube. So tell me, this is the first group, which is what is its ones digit? It is 3. Take its cube. Its cube is 27. Its cube is 27. So take out its ones digit as the ones digit of our desired answer, right? From the first group ones digit, you will get the ones digit of the desired answer. Now our second group is only 4, and as you know, 4 lies between 1 and 8. So we'll write it is greater than 1 and less than 8. Convert these two numbers into cubic forms. 1 is the cube root of 1 and 8 is the 8's cube root is 2, in this way. Now select the smaller one. Which one is smaller, 1 or 2? Yeah, 1 is smaller. So this will be the tens digit of the desired answer. Now let's move on to third part. Make the group. First group is 167, second is 12.